In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $150 per day online promoting dating affiliate programs. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. All right, guys, so we're going to talk about how to make money in the dating niche, how you can make money with CPA offers or dating products where you can earn large commissions for sales, for referring leads, or getting people to try a free offer. Now, I actually have a friend who makes a very nice income with a dating blog, and what he does, I'm going to share exactly what he does, but I'm not going to reveal his website out of people trying to copy or just visiting his website or doing something to his website. But I will show you exactly how he did it. I'm going to explain to you the entire process of how he did it. And basically, he makes a good $7,000 per month doing this just by simply sending a lot of traffic to an affiliate blog where he talks about relationship advice, dating tips, and information for both men and women. I'm going to show you the process of how he did it, where he gets his traffic, and how you can do the same thing. And you can scale this if you actually apply this, what I'm going to talk about in this video. You can scale this to $100 per day, $200, $300 per day. It truly depends on how much effort and money and time you want to invest into doing this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump in my computer. I'm going to show you exactly the main concept of how this works, and hopefully you enjoy this video. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you just how big this niche is. The dating niche is very competitive, and at the same time, there's a lot of money to be made in this niche. But the thing is, a lot of the dating affiliate programs and CPA networks and CPA offers are basically banned from using the typical advertising venues that most people use. For example, Facebook or Google, it's pretty hard to get approved on Google AdWords or Facebook ads for a dating offer. But there are other ways to do it. There's other ways to make a lot of money with dating in the dating space without having to directly promote an affiliate offer or a dating CPA network, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type dating tips. And as you can see, if I just give it a space, there's so many results and suggestions that that Google actually provides. And if we take a look at the right hand side, you can see the volume of these keywords of people actually looking for different things related to dating. For example, dating tips for new relationships, dating tips for shy guys, dating advice articles. The cost per click on this keywords, it's not cheap. As you can see, $1.53 per click, $2.19 per click. So this information can give you just a vast understanding on just how big this dating niche actually is. The first thing that you need to do is to get yourself a blog. Now, the friend that I was talking about, he actually has a very successful blog that gets between 150 to 200,000 visitors per month. And what he did in the beginning, he actually would post two to three posts per week on his blog, and he would promote those posts on Facebook. He would promote it using Facebook ads. Just so you have a general idea of exactly how you can do this. Well, the first thing that you can do is you can buy the content. You don't have to write the content yourself. You can buy the content on sites like iWriter.com. And just a quick reminder, below in the description of this video, I'm going to post all the links and resources that I'm going to mention are going to be found in the description, so you can check it out and you can review all the information. But you can use a website like iWriter.com where you can purchase, 8 posts, 10 posts per week, per month, whatever you want to purchase, really cheap, so you can start adding content to your blog. I want to give you an example of what a blog like that actually looks like. This blog, selfconfidence.com, provides just the type of articles that I'm talking about. And as you can see, it has 31,000 people who like this on Facebook. And what they do is they just provide tips and information on relationships, and 10 tips to finding love after 40. And these tips are safely to promote on Facebook. Now, Facebook doesn't allow dating offers or CPA offers for the dating niche. So the way to get around that is to build a blog just like this. You can build a blog, you can start adding content, and then you can promote those individual posts on Facebook using Facebook ads, and you can get really cheap traffic. So I'm going to give you just an idea of how cheap traffic can be on Facebook. Let's say that you're promoting, let's see, let's look for something like 10 tips on finding love after 40. So let's say that you're targeting women over 40 years old on Facebook in the United States, and you want them to visit this individual post. If we click on the post, you'll see that it'll take you to that specific post, and there's different links and banners all around the blog, and that's designed to get you to buy something. And what they're doing here is they're targeting people who are looking for a partner over 40 years old. So let's say that you're paying 0.5 cents per click. So if we multiply that by 1,000 visitors per day, that means you're spending $50 per day on Facebook ads to send traffic to this post right here. 1,000 visitors per day, you might be thinking, well, I have to spend $50 per day to get that much traffic. But just take a look at what they're doing here. They're getting you to sign up with their first name and email address. And that means that they're slowly, even though they're paying for advertising, if they were paying for advertising, because I don't know if these guys are doing any type of advertising, but let's say you were doing this for your own blog. If you are paying for advertising, you want to gather as many emails as you can, because over time, as you build your email list, that's going to allow you to bring the cost of advertising down. That means you can send a newsletter every single week with 5, 6, 7 posts, and that would automatically build traffic to your post without having to pay for it. So this is what they're doing. Basically, they're just collecting email addresses so they can get new readers coming back every single month. So if you were spending $50 per day advertising, you would probably make that money back in 3 months, in 6 months, or 9 months. Because the thing is, the bigger your email list, the lower the cost of advertising is going to be for you, because you're going to be able to bring back a lot of people to your blog. With more people, then that means more people are going to be sharing your posts and talking and commenting, and that's going to help you rank on Google and get more traffic. So let's say you're spending $50 per day on Facebook ads, on advertising, right? That's coming out of your pocket right now. You're not actually making any type of money back. So how do you monetize that? Well, there's multiple ways to do it. Number one, you can monetize it with Google AdSense. That way you can make some of the money back from the traffic that you're paying. Now, if you notice in this one, they're not doing that. The reason why they're not doing that is because it's more profitable for them to sell you a book, to sell you some type of course, or sell you something where they can make more money in the back end than just putting AdSense ads on the blog. Now, you could do the exact same thing, but instead of putting their own products like they're doing, you can do affiliate offers and CPA offers, which is what I want to show you. Now, a quick example is the datingnetwork.com. The dating network pays $5 per lead. That means someone actually goes to one of the websites that they are part of the network, and when they sign up, like adulthookup.com, for example, they sign up for one of those dating websites or adult websites, you can get $5 for simply referring someone without them having to buy anything. Now, if they actually decide to get a membership or something like that, you can make $75 per trial. Just keep in mind that you're sending 1,000 visitors per day to your blog, right? You're spending $50 just to get 1,000 visitors to your blog, and you're going to be able to make $75 per trial. So that means you sell 2 trials per day, you just made your money back. Now you're making a profit. Now, if they actually buy something, you can make up to $150 per sale and 5% on referrals. Like the dating network, there's a lot of different CPA networks out there for the dating niche. This is not the only one. This is just one of them. But $5 per lead, then that means Even if someone doesn't buy anything, they just click on a banner found in your blog and they just decide to sign up for a free account or something, then you're going to be making $5 just for that. The other way to monetize your content is using Clickbank, and that's affiliate products. I'm going to give you an example. There's a whole category on Clickbank which you can find in the self-help and dating guides, and you can find products where they're talking about dating advice and dating tips for men or a woman, and you can find products where you can make $60 per sale, $70 per sale, $150 per sale. So let's say you only sell one of these products per day, then that means out of 1,000 visitors, one person decided to buy this product, then you just made $150 right there. So you can see the power of the dating niche, why the numbers are so high in terms of the cost per click in advertising, is because the affiliate offers that you can find actually pay a lot of money. For example, let's say that you wanted to promote some other dating network or dating website like Match.com. They actually pay 75% commission on all their memberships. Now, if you go to eHarmony, they actually pay a 65% commission. And all these websites, all these dating networks have affiliate programs which you can promote by simply putting banners on your blog. Now, the key aspect of this, how you succeed in this, is by getting content. The more content you have on your blog, quality content, the more likely you are to generate sales and traffic to your affiliate offers. If you want a business that generates, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 per month, like the friend I was telling you about, he actually made the investment in the beginning of about $1,000, $2,000 to begin, just to build the entire thing, to start getting some traffic and using Facebook ads to promote his posts. So a lot of people, now he has a list of over 25,000 people on that email list. So what they do is automatically send a newsletter, and a lot of traffic comes to his website on a weekly basis. And that's on top of all the paid advertising that he's doing to his blog, because he continues to send traffic. I believe he spends about $1,000 or $2,000 per month on traffic using Facebook ads. And what that does is, on the back end, he builds an email list, and to that email list, he promotes affiliate products, affiliate offers, and CPA networks found, like the dating network, or banners on his blog, where while you're reading the content, you can see banners to different affiliate and CPA offers, where he's making, for every dollar he's investing on Facebook ads, he's making $3 back. Now that you know how you can make money promoting dating affiliate program, this is a legitimate way to make money online, because what you're doing is you're setting up a blog where you're talking about relationships, you're giving dating advice, you're providing tips and information that you can share on social media. You're monetizing that content with affiliate offers, CPA offers, and Clickbank products, where you can make large commissions for each sale or cost per action. So this should give you a few ideas on where to get started. And of course, the first thing that you need to do is to have your own blog, and at the same time build a Facebook page and utilize that to grow. The one thing that I always talk about in my videos is that before you jump into anything, make sure that you're passionate about the topic. Don't just jump into doing something because of the money. Do it because you enjoy doing it. So if you like to spend an hour per week just writing 2 or 3 posts for your blog, for your relationship advice and dating tips and information, then you can use this to make money. You can grow it. You can build an email list of people who subscribe to your content on your blog, and that will give you a lot of free traffic over time, because the bigger your email list, the more free traffic you're going to get. If you enjoy this video, make sure that you give me a like and leave me a comment. And I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.